Flowers laid by Russian emergency teams for the 224 whose flight home from holiday ended in tragedy. This afternoon, investigators confirmed what had been rumored all day. Early analysis of the voice recorders reveal a clue.
A noise was heard in the last second of the CVR recording. A spectral analysis will be carried out by specialized labs in order to identify the nature of this noise.
Was it a bomb somehow smuggled on the plane itself? We don't know for sure. The multinational investigation team warned against jumping to conclusions, as tourists left stranded by cancelled flights wonder how and when they'll get home. Many thousand Russians, 2,500 Brits. Efforts to bring them back now underway, but slowly.
We are getting no information. We just don't know what's going on. We're just here. It's like we're being held hostage because we can't go anywhere.
I completely understand their frustrations. I mean, it's a difficult situation here. It started with a real tragedy, and people would like certainty about when their holiday is going to come to an end. The assurance I can give them is that we have measures in place now which allow us to say it's safe to fly home. That's the most important thing. It's the utmost priority for the government. And I was at the COBRA meeting in the Cabinet Office with ministers when they looked at it. It seems like a significant possibility that there was an explosion on board, that there was a bomb on board.
Immediately after the crash, an Islamic State affiliate called Sinai Province said it was responsible. Today, this video from a group claiming to be ISIL in Aleppo praised their brothers in Sinai and spoke of revenge for Russian attacks in Syria. The Americans also claim to have picked up boastful chatter last night between Islamic State leaders. But the Egyptians, dependent on tourism for livelihoods, are keen to play down apparent evidence of terrorism, also complaining that up-to-date foreign intelligence isn't being shared with them. We were expecting information would be communicated to us instead of being broadcast, said the Egyptian foreign minister. Tensions in diplomatic relations appearing when what's needed is cooperation. British officials told the Egyptians a year ago they were worried about security at Sharm el-Sheikh. And overnight, details emerged of a Thompson Holidays flight back in August that had to avoid some kind of missile as it approached Sharm. Apparently an Egyptian military exercise, not an attack, but nevertheless clearly not protocol. And in Russia today, they buried the dead. The captain, Valery Nemenov, 48 years of age, laid to rest next to his father. His plane, Metrojet 7K9268, in the air for 23 minutes before it disintegrated. Cause, according to the British at least, more likely than not, a bomb.